All right. I've come inside today because it's pretty cool out there today. And here's our pattern for our next the woman, the Amish woman. And here's our cutout that we did for it. Okay. Our cutout that we did for it. So, what we want to do is just kind of get our boundary lines here. This is our head up in here, and our arms. This comes across here like this, and this comes across here like this. This is your let me see, let me try to a little bit. Comes here across here like this. So the first thing we want to do, and if we look at the arms, basically they come in like this. They come across here like this, and then you sort of come up here like that. Sort of come up here like that, and then you come down here, and this comes across here like this. In other words, it's sort of a sort of like that. In other words, okay. Anyway, okay. First of all, what we want to do is we want to go ahead and separate this head from, not separate. we want to, I don't know how I said that. We want to, yeah, it's a little bit cold this morning, so I just didn't go outside. Okay. And the head, she's going to be wearing a bonnet. So the head will, of course, come forward like this. Just sort of what the head is going to just sort of come forward like this and then go down like that. In other words, from the back. Okay, so we're kind of making our boundaries. Now the other boundary we're going to make is, of course, the skirt. It's going to come across here like this and come down here like this. Come across and down. And then this is going to come across here like this. And of course, this is where our shoes will be, like here. Our shoes will be in this area right here. Now, of course, the woman is, the shoes are not like a man's. They're going to be much more, you know, delicate, as we commonly say. And we're going to bring this in, so you have a lot of room back here. By the way, this is a also a 1 3/4 inch piece. I mean, excuse me, a 1 1/4 inch piece, not a 1 3/4 inch piece. And we also want to come back here and same thing all the way over. Cut this here. And come here and cut this here. There's 2 levels of skirt. There is what we have basically. And we'll get into that, in other words, on the side here. Okay? Now, let's look at our pattern. Let's look at our pattern a little bit. And basically, her arms come like this, and it goes across here like this, and then you have your hand there. Now the other one comes up underneath here, and you can actually add a little bit more. So it doesn't really show a whole lot. It's like the hand is up underneath here. So what we want to do is we want to just do this. We want to separate this area in here from where your hands are, okay? See, from this direction, and we have a lot to go in here. Okay? All right. Okay. Now, we want to separate, of course, the head from that, and then we want to bring that down below the head. Because that will be lower than the head. Of course, I'm going to have to redraw my hands, but you get the general idea of where we're going here. Okay? And once you take your pencil and you just basically redraw your hands again. Okay? Now, if you want to, the arms will of course come in this direction on both sides, in other words. So let's see, just a minute. Let's see, this is, let me redraw this here. This sort of comes in like this, and then comes down like that, in other words. So what we can do, we can just sort of cut